Hello, Forex traders. Lenka Taylor here from FX to Freedom. And today we're going to look at the support and resistance on a chart. So having a look at this chart that I've got here, USD CAD, we're going to look at the different levels of horizontal support and horizontal resistance. Now, why is this important? It's important because around those resistance areas are great opportunities for trade setups that are profitable. So it's really important to know how to set up and how to find support and resistance levels on your charts. So having a look at this chart in front of us, the clearest support and resistance line is probably around this area here. So that horizontal resistance line is quite far away from the current price action, which is down here. So we need to look at something that's a little bit more closer to this area where we are looking at potentially trading. So let's zoom out so we can see if there are any other significant lines of support and resistance. So over here, there is a support resistance level around this area here, which is quite significant, and it is close to the current price action. So this is our current price action, and we can see that we had some areas of resistance there, here, and again here, this area as well, and this area. So you can see that initially the price came from below, so it was a resistance level. Then price came from above, making it a support level. And here it is a support as well. So now over here, which is the current price action, the price is coming down. So we're looking at this as our support level. And we would be potentially looking for the price to turn around and go back up. If that doesn't happen and the price keeps going down, then it's either like one of these where the price is just going to peak under and have a look and come back up, or it's going to break through, go a lot lower, and then come back to that line and retest to make it a resistance level one more time. So having a clear idea of where the support and resistance is around the current price action is quite important and allows us great setup opportunities for profitable trades. Thank you for watching. Have a tremendous trading day.